Hi guys, today we're going to show you the covers for the grille of our Volvo XC40. We have light blue, yellow and light blue stripes. They represent the Swedish flag. They simply get installed on top of the grille and they change and brighten up the look of the vehicle. If you need to remove them, the procedure is quite straightforward. You have to pry with your finger on the sides and they will come off. They have been held by these clips on the sides and, as I said, simply go on top of the existing stripe. I really like this idea. I think this makes your vehicle stand out and it adds color to the grille as well. If you guys are interested, I will leave you the link for this set in the description. And by the way, we have a different set in here as well, which consists of 3 colors: light blue, dark blue and red. They work exactly the same way. Simply snaps in place. Very straightforward installation. And now we have these colors in our vehicle. These colors match the BMW M logo, so you can consider it to be a tribute to BMW. And as I said, both these sets are available at Cartrim Home website, and we will leave you the link in the description. And again, this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.